Good afternoon, sir, and dear friends. My name is Shubham Valkori, roll number 6237, and my topic is tandem mass spectrometry. So, in this topic, we are going to study that how we can identify microorganisms by analyzing proteins which they produce. So, what is tandem mass spectrometry? Tandem mass spectrometry is a spectrometry based method used to separate ions based on samples mass using two or more quadruples. A sample is normally coupled into tandem mass spectrometry via chromatography method. Normally, an electron spray method like gas chromatography or liquid chromatography, where the contents are volatilized, are used. Principle of tandem mass spectrometry. First, a sample is ionized to generate a mixture of ions. Precursor ions of specific mass to charge ratio are selected and then fragmented to generate a product ion for detection. This selection for fragmentation detection sequence can be further extended to the first generation product ions. For example, the selected product ions generated in MS2 can be further fragmented to produce another group of produced ion MS3 and so on. So, this is a diagrammatic representation of how a tandem mass spectrometer works. Techniques in tandem mass spectrometry. There are three techniques in tandem mass spectrometry. First is EI, electron ionization. EI, also known as electron impact ionization and electron bombardment ionization, is an ionization method in which energetic electron interacts with a solid or gas phase, atom or molecules to produce ion. Electron ionization was one of the first ionization techniques developed for mass spectrometry. Second is MALDI. MALDI, that is matrix assisted laser desorption. MALDI is a soft ionization that involves a laser striking of matrix of small molecules to make an analyte molecule into the gas phase without fragmenting or decomposing them. MALDI is appropriate to analyze biomolecules like peptide, lipids, saccharides, or other organic macromolecules. Third is ESI, that is electrospray ionization. It is a technique used in mass spectrometry to produce ions using an electrospray in which a high voltage is applied to a liquid to create an aerosol. Applications of tandem mass spectrometry. We can use tandem mass spectrometry to detect cyclic peptides, linear synthetic polymers, oligonucleotides, peptide nucleic acid, and hyperbranch polymers. Classification and identification of bacteria using mass spectrometry based proteomics. There are three general procedures used to generate protein ions for identification of bacteria with matrix assisted laser desorption mass spectrometry. First method is to use a mixture of bacterial sample with a matrix deposited onto a metal MALDI target. In this wholesale analysis procedure, any deliberate steps to break open or fragment the exterior cell walls are avoided, partially due to logistic concerns. Second method consists of suspending the whole cell in a solvent that is able to solubilize or extract protein species from the bacterial sample. Different types and amounts of proteins are extracted depending on the polarity of the solvent and the presence of additives. A portion of the protein extract is mixed with the matrix and analyzed by laser desorption mass spectrometry. Third method uses lysis technique to deliberately break open or fragment the bacterial cell, which allows straightforward solvent extraction of cellular proteins. A protein extract is mixed with the matrix and the mixture is analyzed by MALDI mass spectrometry. Conclusion. So, with the help of the information we have, we can conclude that we can detect microorganisms from any environmental sample without the need of culturing them. Second, it is a quick and reliable method. By using this method, VBNCs can also be detected. Also, various microorganisms present in a biofilm can also be detected. Thank you.